Good morning, boys and girls. We're going to go ahead and start our lesson with a decodable book, Play at Home. So before we start, let's look at some of the words that we're going to see in the story. Some short O words: dots, Tom, top. Some long O words: home, tote. Some consonant C that make the K sound: can, cap, cup. Consonant T: tan, tom, top, tote. Our high frequency words: again, may, play, pretty, some, have, open, please, round, this. Tom and I like to play. This is the play home. We open the tote bag. I have a pretty round cap on top. Tom has a tan vest with dots. May I get you some in a cup? Yes, please. Mom and I made it. We can make it again. May I get you one? Yes, please. I want a round one. This is the best. Next, we're going to go ahead and move on to some phonics. So we're going to be working on consonants, the C and the letter T. We need to write either the C or the T on the following. So let's look at the first picture. What is that? Yes, it's a tent. Why would they use a tent? To go camping. So, am I going to use the C or the T for camp? C, good job. Am I going to use a uppercase C or lowercase? Lowercase. Okay, let's look at the next. There. Okay, so this is a picture of a person. Am I going to add the C or the T? T for Tom. Am I going to use an uppercase T or lowercase t? Uppercase, good job. We are using an uppercase T because it is the name of a person. Okay, let's look at the next one. What do you see? A tube. Am I going to use uppercase or lowercase? A lowercase t. Okay, let's look at the next picture. Am I going to use the letter C or the T? C, Kurt. Let's look at the next picture. 10. Good job. Lowercase or uppercase? Lowercase. Good job. Last picture. Cab. Am I going to draw the C or the T? C. Good job. Lowercase. Out of all of these, Tom is the only one that has a capital letter. That's because Tom is a name of a person. Good job. Next, we're going to work on phonics with the short O and long O. So what we are going to do is we're going to match the pictures to the word that has the same vowel sound. So first, let's look at the first word. Can you sound it out for me? P, ah, p, pop. Good job. This has the short O sound, ah, pop. Let's look at the next word. Can you sound it out for me? J. What sound does this letter make? O. Here we have a magic E, and he's going to tell the vowel here to say his name. The E here is going to be silent, so I'm going to cross it out. So let's sound it out again. J, O, K. Joke. Good job. So let's look at our first picture. What is that? Globe. Does globe have the same vowel sound as pop or joke? Globe. J, O, K. Good job. Globe has the same vowel sound as joke. Let's look at the next picture. Doll. D, all. Does doll have the same vowel sound as pop or joke? Pop. Let's look at the next picture. Sock. Does sock have the same vowel sound as pop or joke? Sock, pop. They both have the ah sound. Good job. This is a doorknob. Knob. Does knob have the same vowel sound as pop or joke? Knob and pop have the same vowel sound. Note. Note. Does note have the same vowel sound as pop or joke? Joke. Good job. Last picture is a pot. Does pot have the same vowel sound as pop or joke? Pop. Good job. So now for this, we're going to work on some of our spelling words. We're going to look at the pictures and write the spelling word that describes each one. So let's look at let's look at our spelling words first. Can you sound it out? K, a, t, cat. At, hat. T, a, p, tap. N, a, t, nut. B, e, bee. S, a, saw. So let's look at our pictures. So the first one, which of these spelling words matches the picture? Saw. So I'm going to go ahead and scratch it up here. Okay, let's look at our next picture. Which of these spelling words matches the picture? Cat. Let's look at the next picture. Which of the spelling words matches this picture? Hat. So now we're going to go ahead and fill in the blanks. I like to, good, bad. I like to be, good, not, bad. I like to be good, not bad. Our last sentence. Will you tap on the drum? Good job. Now let's look at our reading packets. For today, you're going to be working on the letter B. So it says, trace the letters, then write your own letters. So go ahead and trace it. When you're tracing the letter B, the uppercase, you want to start at the top, go down, and then you're going to make your round. Okay, let's try it again. You start at the top, you go down, and you go around 2 times. Good job. Let's try it again. Start at the top, go down, and around. One more time. Down and around 2 times. Good job. One more time. You start at the top, down, you're going to go around and another circle. Good job. Now we're going to go ahead and trace and write the lowercase b. You start at the top again, you go down, and this time you're only going to do a circle on the bottom. Good job. Go ahead and trace it again. Okay, go ahead and write it 3 more times. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so here it says, draw a picture of what happens at a birthday party, then write about it. So you can draw a picture of what happens at a birthday party. Some examples would be games. Yes, people like to play games at birthday parties. What else? They sing happy birthday. They eat food. There's cake. And sometimes there's presents. Yes. So you go ahead and draw a picture. And then we're going to go ahead and write. So for the sentence I wrote, we eat cake at the party. You can copy my sentence or you can write your own to go with your picture. Okay, next page. Quick check. So let's look at number 1. It says, which word starts with the B sound? Can you read letter A? What does it say? Hat. What does choice B say? Big. Choice C? dog. So which of these starts with the B sound? Big. Go ahead and bubble it in. Okay, let's look at number 2. What word can mean two things? Cover, cat, sleep. So which of these words has two meanings? Cover, like the cover of a book or a blanket that you put on top of yourself. Okay, let's look at number 3. What is in the box? Jack, a boat, brown paper. So this is talking about the story. So let's go back to the story to see what is in the box. So Jack's birthday. Today is Jack's birthday. He sees a big box in his room. It is covered in brown paper. Jack opens the box. Wow, there is a bright red boat inside. He finds a note. It says, "Happy birthday, Jack." So what did he find inside the box? A boat. So what is in the box? Jack, a boat, or brown paper? A boat. Let's look at the next one. Look at the title. Which question does it answer? Who is Jack? Where is Jack? What day is it? So let's go back to the story to check. Here's our title, Jack's birthday. Does Jack's birthday tell us who is Jack? No. Does the title tell us where is Jack? No. Does it tell us what day is it? Yes, it's Jack's birthday. Good job. Okay, so next we're going to go ahead and move on to math. So, Emily wants to figure out what shape is behind the door. The shape has 4 vertices and 4 equal sides. Use the shapes above the door to help you find the mystery shape. Draw the shape on the door. So it tells us that our shape needs to have 4 vertices. A vertice is a corner. So let's see which of these shapes. Does a circle have any corners? No, so we know that cannot be our answer. A triangle, let's see how many. 1, 2, 3. Is the triangle, does it have 4? No, it has 3, so we know that cannot be our answer. Square, let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 vertices. Let's check the next shape. Rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. It also has 4 vertices. Let's see the next part. And 4 equal sides. Does the square have 4 equal sides? Yes. Does a rectangle have 4 equal sides? No. So we know our answer is Square. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's look at our video.
How can you tell rectangles from other shapes? Emily has 3 shapes. Which of the shapes are rectangles? What do you know about rectangles? Rectangles have 4 sides and 4 corners. Emily crosses out the first shape. How does she know this shape is not a rectangle? Because it does not have 4 sides and 4 corners. What about the other 2 shapes? Emily circles the other 2 shapes. Why does she circle the 2 shapes? They are rectangles. How do you know? They have 4 sides and 4 corners. You helped Emily find the rectangles.
Okay, so we're going to draw an X on the shapes that do not fit the clues. And we're going to circle the shape that has that the clues describe. So let's see for number 1. I have 4 sides. I do not have 4 sides that are the same length. What shape am I? So the shape we know has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. This has no sides, so we're going to put an X on it. 1, 2, 3. So this cannot be it. 1, 2, 3, 4. I do not have 4 sides that are the same length. These are all the same length, so we're going to cross this one out. This one has 2 sides that are the same, and these 2 sides are the same. So this has to be our shape. Number 2. I do not have 4 sides. I do not have any vertices. Which shape am I? This has 4 sides, so we know this one's not the shape. 1, 2, 3. No sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it says, I do not have any vertices. A vertice is a corner. This one has 3 corners, so the triangle cannot be our mystery shape. The circle has no corners, so we found our shape. Okay. We're going to draw an X on the shapes that do not fit the clues, and we're going to circle the shape that the clues describe. So for number 3, I am not round. I have 3 sides. Which shape am I? So our first clue says, I am not round. So I'm going to cross out the circle because the circle is round. The next clue says, I have 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Our mystery shape is a triangle. Let's look at number 4. I am not a rectangle. I have 0 sides. Which shape am I? So we're going to cross out all the rectangles. That leaves us with 2 shapes left. The last part of the clue says I have 0 sides. A triangle has 3 sides, so that's not our mystery shape. Our shape is a circle. Number 5. I have 4 vertices. I am a special kind of rectangle because all my sides are the same length. Which shape am I? So 4 vertices means it has to have 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So all of the shapes have 4 vertices. The next part of the clue says I am a special kind of rectangle because all my sides are the same length. All the sides are not the same length of this shape or this shape. These all have the same length. The sides here are not all the same, so our mystery shape is a square. Okay, for this page, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to listen to the clues, draw an X on the shapes that do not fit the clues, and circle the shape that the clues describe. So for number 6, all of my sides are not the same length. I only have 3 vertices. Which shape am I? So this has 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. This can't be it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So our mystery shape is a triangle. Number 7. I have 4 sides. I am the shape of a classroom door. Does this look like a classroom door? Does it have 4 sides? No. What about this? Yes. Okay, let's look at the next one. It has 4 sides, but does a classroom door look like this? No. What about this? No, it does not have 4 sides. So our shape is a rectangle. Okay, number 8. I have less than 4 vertices. I am the shape of a wheel. Which shape am I? Does this have less than 4 vertices? No. Does this have less than 4 vertices? Yes, because it only has 3. Does this one have less than 4 vertices? No. Does the circle have less than 4 vertices? Yes. The next clue says, I am the shape of a wheel. Do you see wheels in the shape of a triangle? No. Are they wheels the same shape as a circle? Yes. Good job. For number 9, we need to listen to the clues and draw the shape. I have more than 3 sides. I have fewer than 5 vertices. All my sides are the same length. Which shape am I? So it has to have more than 3 sides, but it has to have less vertices, fewer vertices than 5. What shape can it be? And all the sides have to be the same length. A square. A square has more than 3 sides. It has 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fewer than 5 vertices. It has 4 vertices. And all the sides are the same length. For our math packet, we are going to describe the shapes and where they are to a partner. So here we have a rectangle. Can you find a rectangle in this picture? Yes. The block makes a rectangle. Can you describe its location? It is next to a triangle. Good job. The next shape is a square. Can you find a square? Yes. The number blocks and the letter blocks are squares. Can you describe the location of the letter blocks? Yes, the letter blocks are next to the car. The letter blocks are also above the boat. Our next shape is a circle. Can you find a circle? Yes, right here, the ball. Can you describe its location? Yes, the circle is below the number blocks. Our next shape is a hexagon. Can you find a hexagon? Yes, here in the soccer ball you can find some hexagons. Can you describe the location of the hexagon? Yes, the hexagon is beside the triangle, or you can say beside the boat. Our last shape is a triangle. Do you see any triangles? Yes, right here and right here. Can you describe the location of the triangle in the boat? Yes, the triangle is below the letter blocks. Good job. For the next page, bingo. Mr. Lewis is making a bingo game. Draw these shapes to help him. Draw a circle above the square and below the hexagon. So it has to be on top of the square and it needs to be below the hexagon. Yes. So we're going to go ahead and draw our circle here. Next, it says, in the middle row, so our middle row, draw a square next to bingo, above the triangle. So next to right here, and it's above the triangle. Next, draw a triangle in the top row, next to the rectangle. Good job. How did we solve it? We used clue words such as above, below, middle, next to, above, top, and next to. Explain it. So the clue words describe the location. That's how we figured out where to draw the shapes. Next, we're going to go ahead and move on to science. For science, we were talking about living things. So let's see. What does this raccoon need to live? Does he need soil, rocks, water? None of the other answer choices. Water. What does a plant need to live? Air, sunlight, all of the other answer choices, water. Yes, a plant needs air, sunlight, and water. Alex has a pet snake. He put water and plants in the snake's cage. He put a screen on top so air can get in. What else does Alex need to give his snake? Food, rocks. None of the other answer choices, sticks. A pet snake. What else does he need? Food. We got them all right. Good job, boys and girls. Lastly, we're going to go ahead and watch a little video for social studies.
How is culture shared?
We celebrate with your family. Our family eats dinner with our whole entire family, and they come over to their grandma's house. In school, we learned about Thanksgiving, that we make turkeys and we get pumpkins and we put stickers on them. Sometimes we celebrate my papa's birthday. Sometimes we celebrate my mama's birthday. Sometimes we celebrate my birthday. We celebrate Thanksgiving because we're thankful for mashed potatoes. Well, when we're at school and it's Thanksgiving, usually we just bring our parents and we do a little play for them. And we have a little table, like a big table, and we eat with our family. It's really cool. We celebrate it. We go on vacation for it. It's really yummy, and they have it because they're supposed to make it because it's a very special day.